Hi there, welcome to JEE Advanced 2020 Solutions by Genesis. We will now discuss Paper 1, Section 1, Question number 3. Now this is the question, and if you haven't seen the paper, I suggest you pause the video and read the question. In this question, we have a roller whose 3D view and side view has been shown, and there's a meter scale which is kept over the axle. Now the scale is pushed over the axle without slipping, and it's found that the roller starts rolling without slipping. So the question asks basically, when the roller has moved by 50 centimeter, which of the following figures represents the situation at that instant? This is a very easy question from rigid body mechanics. Let us denote the distance moved by the center of the roller to be xc is equal to 50 centimeters, and from the data given, I'm taking the inner and outer radii as r by 2 and r. The velocity of the point A will be VA is equal to V plus omega r by 2. Omega I'm writing V by r as there is no slipping at the bottommost point, and this VA comes out to be 3V by 2. Thus, when the center of the roller has moved by a distance xc, which is basically integral V dt, the point A will move a distance xa, which is given by integral VA dt. But VA is 3V by 2, and therefore this boils down to 3xc by 2. Now the amount by which the tip of the scale has overshot the center is xa minus xc, therefore, which basically comes out to xc by 2, which is 25 centimeters, and therefore the correct option is B. This was an extremely simple question, and this is something which no one should have skipped in the examination.